Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Adobe Fonts to your WIX website. So without delay, let's jump into it. First, go to wix.com and either create a new website or open an existing one. Once you are in the editor, click the plus icon on the left to open the side menu. From here, select text. Let's say you want to add a title. Type whatever you like and position it anywhere on the page. Next, to change the font, click on Edit Text and then navigate to the Fonts section. At the very bottom of the font list, you will see an option labeled Upload Fonts. Click on it and you can upload your own fonts. This works not just for Adobe Fonts, but also any custom fonts you prefer. So that's it guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.